The previous episode was the first time that Sasha and Keoni developed an equation that does not simply represent a single parabola. In this episode, they talk about what the equation y equals x squared divided by 4 times p means.
Let's just end with thinking about what this means, what this equation gives us. Can you write the equation that you just found? All right. Now, what if I'm thinking of a parabola that goes through the origin?
Yeah, it goes through the origin.
And its focus is a half a unit above the origin.
So right here.
I want you to tell me everything you know about that parabola.
Everything I know. So we know that since the focus is half unit above our origin, our directrix is going to be half unit below our origin.
Because they have to be an equal distance away from each other from that point. And we know that... Let me just plug it in.
Ooh. Yeah.
Yes.
What do you want to plug into?
I wanted to plug in, since p is our distance, any distance from whatever the distance is from the focus and the directrix and the little point right there. So I said just point p equals 0.5.
All right, what would your equation be then when p equals 0.5?
Y equals x squared over 2.
Now, can you use that to generate some points on the parabola?
Pick a y. Pick a y.
Pick a y.
Pick a y. Or pick an x, either one. Doesn't matter.
What would you like to choose, Keoni?
I want to choose this point right here.
Why are you choosing that point?
Okay.
Well, what is the x value for the point that he just put on there?
Yeah.
Wait, where'd you have it? Oh, you had it in the 1. Okay, you can leave it there.
What's the x value there?
1.
1.
All right, so when x is 1, what will the y be for this parabola?
So when x is 1, y will equal 1/2.
And is that where he put the point?
It is indeed.
All right, you just found a point on the parabola.
We got it. Oh.
Get a couple more using the equation.
Okay. What do you want?
Okay.
How about, you want to do like here? That
But we
one?
don't know if that's
Oh,
on
wait.
this. You know,
Here. Do you want to erase it or you want to leave it?
because we don't know if it fits on that same parabola.
Okay.
Doesn't have to be with this focus.
Yes, I want you to find points on this parabola.
How about...
So far, you have 2 points on this parabola. 0, 0, the origin, and then what is the coordinates of that point that you marked that Keoni found?
1 and 1/2.
Why don't you put the coordinate pair there? Now, the problem is it doesn't look like a parabola yet.
No.
So let's find enough points using the equation so
about
that
8?
it fills out the parabola just a little bit.
Okay, so we're going to
8.
say x equals 8. So we're going to say y equals 8 squared over 2. So y equals 64 divided by 2. So y equals 32.
32.
All right, so that's not on our graph, but
Put your hand about where you think it would be.
it's going to be
Up here.
over, like, yeah.
But can you use Sasha's method to find some other points that are visible to us?
Yeah, it's going to be really far. Okay, so that one's really far, so you want to do like 2? Can I do 2 instead?
1 minute.
Because 2 will be on the graph. So we're going to say x equals 2 now. Okay. So y equals 2 squared over 2. So we're going to say y equals 4 over 2. So y equals 2.
Wait, you wanted it
2, 2.
2, 2?
2, 2.
Right there.
2,
And why don't you label that one as well?
2.
Now, does that satisfy you guys that you can see the shape of the parabola yet?
Yeah, because it's like... Pew.
Does it look like a parabola?
Do you want to do the other side?
What if we do it like right here?
All right. So do 3.
3. I don't think it's gonna. I don't think
Do
that's
3.
gonna work.
Do 3.
Okay. Y equals 3 squared over 2. Y equals, nope, see? Didn't work.
What is 9
What does
divided by
work?
2?
Oh, it does work. Gotcha. 4.5.
Does your conjecture work there, that point? Is that...
Oh my gosh, yes.
Well, do you want to fill in the rest of the parabola that you can see?
So
And what are the coordinates of that point?
that one was 3, right?
4.5.
Do you know any on the other side?
Yeah.
Yes.
It'll just be negative x, but the same way.
Why
Yeah.
don't you get a couple in there, just so we can end with a pretty looking parabola.
You can do this one here. Negative 1.5. Yeah.
Hmm?
We'll go there. And then what was this one?
3 and 4.5. So negative 3
Does it
and
look more like a
4.5.
parabola now?
Yes.
All right, so do you have any comments, questions?
I'm glad we found the equation to find any point on any parabola on
Which
the
is-
origin.
As Keoni put it, the equation y equals x squared divided by 4 times p helps you find any point on any parabola that has its vertex at the origin. For different values for p, you get different parabolas. Sasha and Keoni worked with one of these parabolas, the one where p equals 0.5. The equation for this parabola is y equals x squared divided by 4 times 0.5, which is the same as y equals x squared divided by 2. By substituting x values into the equation to find the corresponding y values, Sasha and Keoni located many points and were eventually able to draw the parabola.